Many times throughout the year, you will be asked to participate in an online discussion. These discussions will be presented to you through Canvas in a module. So what I've done here is, let me go back to modules here, and this was an assignment, a previous assignment called Exploring the Matter Around You. It is a discussion. You can see the little chat boxes there, or hovering it over it shows you discussion topic. The way I start my discussion topics is with some sort of prompt. So the first thing you should see is a prompt that you are going to be required to respond to. It gives you specifics as far as what information I am looking for and how to respond to that. Really important to remember that this is not texting, this is not Insta or Facebook or Snapchat. You are in a school classroom setting, even though it is online. So very important to make sure that you are appropriate, you're using good etiquette, that you're using appropriate spelling and grammar, just as if you were typing this up and turning it in on paper. Once you are sure of what you want to write, my recommendation is to type your response in a separate Google document. The reason for that is once you start typing in the discussion prompt, you are not able to save your work. So if you start and can't finish within a certain class period or time period, you will lose your work. Also, Google Docs offers many more editing tools than the text entry box does in Canvas. Once you're ready, then you can simply just copy and paste it into the discussion box. In order to access that, you need to click Post. Excuse me, not post, reply. So you'll see a box here that says reply. Careful that you're not trying to reply here. This is your search box that you'll be able to use once you have posted. Once you click reply here, you get your basic text editing box, and you can copy and paste, or you can type directly in. Remember, I do recommend that you type it into Google Docs before putting it into Canvas. Once you put it there, you can post your reply. Posting your reply then gives you access to anyone else who has posted a discussion response. Once you're done that, you can read through other people's posts because I often require that you read and respond to fellow classmates' posts.